All right, we're rolling, man. Got right now going my gender reveal. Doing the burnout in the truck, F-150 Coyote. Just got limited slip installed today. Thanks to the boys at Big Sexy Auto for making it happen so quickly and so smoothly. This baby's ready to let her rip tater chip, all right? Let's see what we got going on. We're trying to get a live stream going over there with our old mamas. You know, they're not too sure what's going on, but they know something's going on. And that's where we're at right now. Erica is right now getting set up with the smoke, the powder. I'm gonna make the smoke. The powder is going underneath the truck right now, I hope. By the way, I got Mr. JJ behind the camera. He loves being there, that way you don't see him today.
Yeah.
Ready? Are you rolling? Dude, that smoke was sick. It's a boy! Holy guacamole! I thought I was gonna be a girl. Oh my goodness! See if you can see the smoke up there. I thought it was gonna be a girl. No wonder you wanted me to wear a blue shirt. You're like, you want the blue shirt or the blue shirt today? It's like, I guess I'll wear the blue one.
Look at that happy daddy. Look at that smile.
Does the burnout look good? Yeah? All right, I got a thumbs up from my mama. She knows what burnouts look like. Look at that, we got cameras rolling. We did no invite because trying to keep it small, but you will get an invite to the baby shower. Please bring presents, diapers, or car parts. It's all good. There's my beautiful pregnant baby, mama. My wife, I mean.
All right, so we were a team pink over here, right?
Jaden was team blue.
We were also team pink over here. Who was team blue?
Jaden.
Winner!